I would like for you to take this 9 by 12 piece of paper. You're going to fold it in half, make a mark down the middle so you know kind of where the middle is. You're going to use these paint sticks at your desk to add some glow-in-the-dark color to each side of this paper. When you're done with both sides, I want you to set that to the side. I'm going to give you a piece of styrofoam. I'm going to give you a template. On one side, it has a dragonfly. On the other side, it has a butterfly. You're going to tape this butterfly to your foam so that it doesn't move. You want to make sure that this does not shift at all. You're going to use a colored pencil. Any color will do. Just pick a colored pencil and you're going to trace the lines. You want to make sure that you're pressing firmly, but not hard enough to tear your paper. And you're going to trace every line on your bug, whether it's a dragonfly or a butterfly. Do not worry about tracing the antenna. We're going to draw those with a Sharpie when we're completely finished with our project. When you finish tracing your bug, you're going to take this off and throw that in the trash. You should have an imprint of that bug on your styrofoam. We're going to cut around the edges, but we are not cutting on that outside line. You want to leave a little tiny space between that outside line and your foam. Be real careful about cutting around the head and the tail. If you do cut those two things off, we can always add them later with a Sharpie, so don't worry about that. But you want to leave a tiny little channel for your paint to stick to after you've cut all the way around your wings and your body. I've given you a messy mat to put your butterfly on and a tray with some black paint on it. This is a brayer. A brayer adds paint or ink to your printmaking stamp. So what we're going to do is we're going to roll that paint onto our butterfly or our dragonfly, and we're going to take it and we're going to press it into 1/2 of our painted paper that we just made. And then we're going to peel it up and we're going to do that process all over again. You have to roll paint each time you want to print with this butterfly or dragonfly.